We're going to find the slope of the line that passes through these 2 points. Okay, the red one and the green one. And we need to use the slope formula for this. And what I'm going to do is label the points. So I'll call this point 1 and I'll call this point 2. And when I look at point 1, it's got 2 parts. Remember, x comes before y. So this is going to be x sub 1 and this is going to be y sub 1. And then for point 2, I'm going to have an x sub 2 and a y sub 2. And once they're labeled correctly, all I need to do is just plug in these 4 numbers. Okay, so my y sub 2 is going to go right here. And my y sub 1 is going to go right here. And my x sub 2 is going to go here. And my x sub 1 is going to go here. Okay, now notice I'm going to be subtracting x sub 1, which is negative. So remember that I will be subtracting a negative on the bottom, same thing on the top. Subtracting a y sub 1, which is negative. All right, let's go ahead and do it. M equals, M is the slope, and it's going to be this minus this over this minus this. Okay, so first let's plug in my y sub 2. And here it is, it's a negative 6 minus my y sub 1, which is a negative 4. And then we're going to plug in my x sub 2, which is a negative 2. And then I'm going to plug in my x sub 1, which is also a negative 2. All right. Now in the numerator, I have negative 6. And then this right here, minus a negative 4. Minus a negative is a plus. So negative 6 plus 4. And then in the denominator, I have negative 2. And then I have minus a negative, which is also a plus, plus 2. So in my numerator, negative 6 plus 4 is going to be negative 2. And in my denominator, negative 2 plus 2, well, that's 0. And can you have a 0 on the bottom of a number? No, you cannot. Okay, so this is not a number. This is undefined. And I'm going to say that my slope is undefined. Looks like a number, but it's not, because you cannot divide by 0. That's it.